The dark web has come a long way from hidden forums and sketchy marketplaces. Today, it's evolving, powered by new technologies that go beyond anonymity. Let's look at how decentralization and blockchain are reshaping the future of darknet systems and what it means for privacy, censorship resistance, and control. Decentralized web, a new internet architecture. The decentralized web, or D-Web, is about more than just anonymity. It's about ownership, where no single company, server, or government controls what stays online. Instead of hosting content on centralized servers, the D-Web spreads data across a peer-to-peer network. No middlemen, no gatekeepers. This architecture prevents censorship, improves resilience, and gives users full control of their content. Examples of this include IPS, Interplanetary File System, a protocol where users store and share files without relying on one central server. DApp Project and Hypercore Protocol, tools for building decentralized apps and websites. These platforms aren't just alternatives to the surface web, they're blueprints for a new kind of internet. Blockchain trust without middlemen. Blockchain isn't just about cryptocurrency. At its core, it's a way to store data transparently and securely without needing a central authority. That's why blockchain is becoming a foundation for darknet innovation. Here's how it fits in. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Monero enable anonymous payments across darknet marketplaces. Decentralized domain systems like Namecoin offer censorship-resistant URLs that can't be taken down by governments or companies. Smart contracts let developers create decentralized services that run on logic, not trust. And because blockchain records are public and tamper-resistant, they offer transparency, even in anonymous systems. From hidden services to autonomous networks. Darknet technologies are no longer just about staying hidden, they're about building alternative systems. Systems where information is free, communities govern themselves. No one can shut you down overnight. The next generation of the dark web is moving towards self-hosted, user-powered, and resilient-by-design platforms. You'll see more hybrid models where Tor or I2P handles anonymity, IPFS stores the data, and blockchain tracks value or access. It's not just the dark web anymore, it's the distributed web. And that shift could redefine what online freedom looks like. So why does this matter? Because darknet tech isn't stuck in the past. It's pushing the boundaries of what the internet can be. As censorship increases and trust in platforms fades, these tools offer something radical. Control, resilience, and freedom by design.